Welcome to your Plezmo application. This is the very first page that gets opened as soon as you install the app, which is called Dashboard. Like any other dashboard, it provides information about the entire app, like your recent projects, the tutorial that are recently added in the app, and the navigation to the various parts of the application. Here is the login image and the login name that I have used when I had registered and logged in into the Plezmo. Using this logout button, I can log out and again log in using my desired email ID. Here is an option to view some more options, which includes various important features of the app, one that say about where you can see the current version of Plezmo, and if there will be any update, the notification will prompt you to update the app. Here some important links that are present on the dashboard. The first is project. It gives you the list of all the projects that you have created and also some default projects that you might have been seen. This is very interesting part of the Plezmo environment, which is called community. We'll not go into the deep, but it has all the projects which students have created and submitted using Plezmo and shared. The tutorial section gives you the detailed description on how and what can be built using Plezmo and detailed step how to do that. So there are many interesting tutorials. Now, in order to create my project, I just need to click on the create new button and have a project. Let me name it as my project and click on create. This is the coding area of my project. It has commands with respect to different categories. These are the commands that are of Plezmo hardware element. These are the commands restricted to different programming construct, and there are commands of app design component. I can just click on any one category, choose any command and just drag it on my screen. Now this is my coding area and this is the app design area. I can open two tabs at a current time and I can close any one of them as well. Here I go ahead and add any component that I like. If I like to add a button, I'm just going to click on button, OK, save, and I can design my app screen here. And here I can write commands with respect to it. This button that says start execution is used to execute or run the program once I'm done. So once I have added my app screen, added all components to it, written all the commands, I can go ahead using the execution button. This is the basic all entities of my Plezmo app. Go ahead and download and start building interesting applications. Thank you.